Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a chatty get ready with me, doing this look that I have on right now. I've been getting a few comments recently about you guys just feeling like you don't really know me because all I talk about is makeup. So I asked you guys on Instagram what questions you had for me. So I'm gonna go through and answer some of those and just kind of talk about the topics that you guys gave me. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. If you guys can see the mess that is in front of me right now, it is embarrassing. But first, I'm gonna start out with the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer. I love this. The smell is just so good. I have been using this for eternity and I'm almost out of it, which makes me so sad. If I don't say exactly what I'm using, everything will be linked down below in the bottom bar in case you are interested in it. So just so that I cover my bases and you guys know exactly what I'm using. But I did ask you guys on Instagram if you had any topics or questions for me. So I'm just gonna pull those up on my phone really quick. Okay, for primer, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Mattifier, and I'm just concentrating this on the sides of my nose and just kind of like this cheek area where I have enlarged pores. One of the most frequently asked questions is, are you married? And the answer is no, I have never been married, never been engaged, nothing like that. I just haven't met the right person, I guess. Hopefully someday in the near-ish future, I will be able to experience that. But for now, I am single. And then another question that a lot of you guys wanted to know about is what I do for a living. So I feel like that's something I don't really talk, I guess I don't really talk about anything about my life because I don't know what you guys are interested in knowing, and I'm not trying to like bore you to death when I'm talking about makeup. So I have a company. I am a brand consultant. So basically I help brands. By the way, I'm using the NYX Total Control foundation drops. I am obsessed with this. It's one of my very favorite foundations of all time. But I basically help brands with everything that includes their image online. So social media, marketing, email marketing, their brand voice, everything. So I work remotely, I work from home, and the brands that I work with are mostly out of state. I live in Michigan, and the majority of them, actually I don't think I'm working with a single brand right now that is actually in Michigan. So everything is remote, which is really nice because I have flexibility to work on other things. Like I also have my blog, obviously, and this channel, which I'm trying to grow. And I have an Instagram that I have monetized. So I do make money on social media, but I don't make a full-time income yet from social media. So I am also a brand consultant, but I do work from home, which is really nice. I would love to do videos on like how to stay motivated working from home, or like how to start your own business, because I do have two businesses, my blog, and then also, that's the other thing, I have a bracelet company called With Love Sarah. You can see bracelets right here in the background, but that I started about a year ago, and I'm just gonna put this on a few blemishes that I have to get some extra coverage. But I started it about a year ago, I think, and I love the creative process of it. It's so fun, and I like creating things that I would love to wear. So that's been a really fun project. I actually am coming out with new releases very, very soon. They may already be on the website by the time this video goes up. So if they are, I'll link the website down below. I also have a coupon code just for you guys. So that's always down below in the bottom bar as well. But one of the new releases is the stack that I'm wearing today. I love this. I think it's so pretty. The colors in it are just so vibrant. So this one will be on the site very soon. And then also this one, which I think this one is super cute too. Sorry, this is so hard to show you guys. So this one I think is adorable. I have like a new pink stack, which I think is really fun and pretty. I love these little tassels. They're just adorable. This stack with the little medallion, these beads I think are stunning. I'm obsessed with these. So, Anyway, that is another project. So I have quite a few things that I work on besides social media. So that is what I do for a living. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, the Glow Formula. I actually recently did a video on this, comparing the original to this one. So if you're interested in that, I will link it up here. But I've been using it basically every day, I think, since I got it. One of the other questions I got was to talk about my accessories. So let me know down below if you guys would want me to do a full video on kind of like my most worn accessories. I'd be happy to do that. But basically, if I'm ever wearing bracelets, they are from my brand, which is always linked down below. And I just have other random pieces like this bar necklace, this dainty one. I've worn this every single day for about 4 or 5 years now. This layered one I actually just recently picked up. It's these 3 and it's just one layered. I love dainty jewelry, so I always have something on. This ring was a birthday gift and I wear that every single day too. So if you guys want me to do a full video on all of my accessories, I would be more than happy to do that. I love accessorizing. I feel like that's the one thing that really pulls outfits together. So it's really fun for me. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass in Luminous Bronze Light, and I'm still taking my Ecotools Sheer Powder Brush, and I'm just kind of diffusing this everywhere just to kind of warm up my face. Okay, so another question was, will you do a vanity tour? I definitely will. If that's something that you guys wanna see, I would love to do one. I'm actually in the process. I just reorganized my office. So this is kind of where I'm filming, but it's not where I store the majority of my makeup. My makeup is in, I have a full room in my house that is a closet slash beauty room. I'm actually working on a video because I just transformed my closet in there. It's just like, I live in a really old house and the closet is really tiny. And so I had everything hanging and it was a total disaster. So I just put shelves in there with like cute little bins. And I just finished it the other day and I filmed a video on it. So that will be up very soon. It may already be up depending on when this video goes up. If it is, I will link it up here. If not, it'll be up shortly. But yeah, that is one of the projects that I recently did, which is another thing. If you guys want to see home projects, let me know. I bought my house 4 years ago and I'm constantly doing projects. This is the Lorac blush in Technicolor. I really like doing projects myself, so I am constantly doing stuff. I actually just made a headboard with my mom yesterday for my bedroom because I just have never had a headboard. So if you guys want videos on like home stuff, how to save up to buy a house, any of that kind of stuff, like let me know. These are all things that I would love to talk about. I just don't know what you guys are interested in, so I just haven't done it. I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors and Iluvsarahii highlight in Soulmate. So yes, I can definitely do a vanity tour, like a dressing room tour, if that's something you guys want to see. And then that video on the closet shelves will be coming very, very soon. And I found the cutest bins for them. I'm so excited about the bins. They're this like cute pink dogwood color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. I just recently purchased a ton of stuff from Flower Beauty. And I've been testing it all out. I'm gonna do a best and worst of everything I tried video very soon. I think I'm gonna film it tomorrow. So that should be coming very soon too. I had never tried a single thing from Flower Beauty. It's just one of those brands that I had never gotten around to trying. For my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte and Aspyn Ovard palette. I really like this palette and I kind of haven't used it a ton. It was just in a drawer and I kind of forgot about it. But I'm going to go in with Married Life first to kind of set down my lids. Okay, then I'm just gonna put High School Sweetheart all over my lids and in my crease. So one of the other questions that I got quite a few times is what my health, diet, and exercise routine is. And honestly, I feel like that changes a lot. So I used to be super into working out. Like I worked out 7 days a week. I was crazy about it. I would like cancel social plans to work out. And it became like an unhealthy obsession. And so I ended up not doing that anymore. I kind of like fell off the wagon as I started working from home a couple of years ago. And since then, I still go to the gym, but I have not been, I'm trying to find the balance between having a life and not feeling guilty about having a life, but also being healthy and being in shape. So it was just like a really hard balance for me to figure out, and I'm still kind of figuring it out. So I don't have like the magic answer for you guys, but I think that trying to figure out a balance is key. I also was like crazy about my eating. I was on a meal plan and I would my camera died. Anyway, I was saying I was on a really strict meal plan, and I basically only ate like grilled chicken and veggies or ground turkey and veggies, and I like counted every single thing that I ate every single day. So I am in the process of trying to figure out how not to be neurotic about it, but also get the results that I want. I used to not be as picky as I am. Like, I'm going in with the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Liner. I have always been a picky eater, but like maybe 2 or 3 months ago, I ate a piece of meat and got totally grossed out. And so I've kind of become like an involuntary vegetarian, which I feel like I'm too picky of an eater to be a vegetarian. So I'm kind of trying to figure out what the heck I should eat now, which has been such a struggle. So I really have no like exercise and diet tips. I actually just started Kayla Enstein's, I'm sure I'm saying her name wrong, the BBG program. I'm on week 2 of it right now, and I like it. I definitely feel like with my schedule coming up, it's going to be hard because I'm going to be traveling and working a lot, but the workouts are insanely hard and they're only 28 minutes long. So that's always nice because you can get your workout done really quickly, and it's not eating up your entire day. You're not like sitting on the elliptical for an hour. It's just like a really hard workout really quickly. So I don't know what the results of that will be yet, so I'm not gonna like say I recommend it or not. I have no idea. We'll see. It's like a 12-week program, I think. Okay, I'm going to take my smudge brush and go back into this Tarte palette and I'm gonna take High School Sweetheart and Road Trip, this chocolatey brown, and just smudge this out on my lower lash line. So the moral of that really long story is that I think everyone is different, and you have to figure out something that works for you and workouts that you really enjoy. Like, I personally love lifting weights, and I really like kickboxing, and I hate spin. Like, I would love to never go to a spin class again in my entire life. I also hate yoga, so I dread it, and then I sit and like count the minutes until the workout's done, which is just not good. So you just have to find something that you really enjoy doing and then use that as your workout. I think as long as you're getting a sweat in, you are doing something right. Okay, I'm taking the NARS Climax mascara. I actually just did a video on this as well, which I will link up here. So somebody asked me what my favorite drugstore brand was, and then also someone else what my favorite high-end brand is. And that is so hard to answer because there's so many products. I use so many different brands. But I think that my favorite drugstore brand is probably Milani. I feel like I have really good luck with their products, and I just really like the quality, and the price point is great, and I think that they have just high-end quality at a lower price point. But I will say that drugstore prices have really gone up in the past couple of years. So some of those Milani palettes are like $20, which I feel like is too expensive for drugstore. So yeah, but I would say Milani probably. I also really love NYX. NYX has some of my absolute favorite products, like the foundation that I used today. I love that. The lip that I'm gonna wear today is also from NYX, which I've been loving that. So yeah, that's probably NYX or Milani are my favorite drugstore. And then as far as high-end, oh my gosh, that's a hard one. I love so many brands. I really love Tarte. Tarte makes some of my favorite products. I love Bare Minerals. I'm trying to look at like what's in front of me. I've been trying more Hourglass products and I have loved every single thing that I've tried from them. So that's a really good one. Like the bronzer I used today and their highlight stick in Champagne Flash is my favorite highlight of all time. Which Hourglass is on the much more expensive end of high-end makeup. So that's not a great habit to be getting myself into. Yeah, I would say Tarte and Hourglass are probably my two favorite. I don't know, I love everyone. There's not really any brand that I just absolutely hate. There's things that I like from each brand. All right, for lips, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Suede matte lipstick in the shade Dainty Daze. This has been one of my go-to products recently. I love this color. This is such a comfortable formula too. But the combination I'm gonna do today is like my perfect nude lip. So this is the lipstick without anything over it. It's a matte, but it doesn't dry down like a liquid lipstick does. It stays like creamy, so it's not transfer proof, but it does stay longer than a lot of the lipsticks I've tried. So this is it without anything, but I do put a gloss on top. I've been using either the L'Oreal and Camila Cabello collab lip gloss, which I thought I had in front of me, but I can't find it. I don't know where it went. So I've been either using that one or this one. This is the BECCA and Chrissy Teigen gloss in Beach Bum, and I love this one too. All right, this is my finished makeup look. I am off to shoot some photos today, and then tomorrow I'm leaving town for a work trip. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I do have some pre-filmed videos that will go up while I'm out of town this week. I hope that you feel like you got to know me a little bit better. If you have any questions ever, leave them down in the comments. I try to respond to every single comment that I get, just because I want to kind of like build this community with you guys, and I want you to feel like you know me, and I love getting to know you guys. So please leave any questions. I'd be happy to do more videos like this, and let me know what types of videos you'd like to see from me. If you want to see like tips on saving for a house or home decor projects or anything like that, I would love to share that stuff with you. I just want to know what you guys want to see. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.